Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Today is going to be interesting because you can already see I have my makeup. I've already done a review on these, but I want to do another one because the company emailed me and stuff. And you have to wait till the very end to hear this special news that I have to inform you guys on it. So I've gotten a couple, this is my second one from this company. They emailed me asking me to purchase something off of Amazon and they reimbursed me for it. So I've done it twice and this company contacted me again asking me to review it. I was like, you know what, I need to do a separate review for this thing. But it is for these magnetic lashes. And they're really pretty. They almost look similar to the ones I have, but they're really not. Because these ones actually have a little magnetic pieces on it, and the other ones are invisible. They don't see and everything. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this and everything, and I'll put this up real quick for you guys to see. But it comes with a how to use thing. Pretty easy and simple. I really don't, if you have to, this comes with it, and it comes with 2 of their magnetic lashes. Adhesive, or the liner part. If you want to know what makeup I'm currently wearing, it will be listed down below, because I really don't want to say what the palette I'm using, because yeah, I just feel like doing a very simple smoky eye look. I think it came out cute. I really don't do these kind of looks, but I'm starting to like it a little bit. But I shake it around for about 15 seconds to 20 seconds just to make sure it's all there and everything. So, and basically what it says to do is I'll read it out for you guys. This is tube shape and shaped eyeliner. Apply the eyeliner, tube shaped eyeliner. Apply the eyeliner and make sure it's not too thin. Step 2, wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute to form the adhesive film. 3, eyelashes. Attach the eyelashes to your eyelashes with hand or tweezers. 2, remove using makeup remover and cotton swab to remove the makeup. Gently remove the false lashes. So that's how you do it. So I just try to get as close to my lash band as I can. I'm not very good at this, so yeah. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom you guys in. There you guys go, so you can see what I'm doing. But you see how there's the glossiness? And I try to bring it out as far as I can. Alright, there it goes. I'm going to create the other eye real quick. I never have you guys up this close, but yeah. This one is usually my hard one to do. And I have used magnetic lashes before. And I'll show you in you guys a second exactly which one. And they deterred me from using for a long while because it really hurt my eyes. This brand, I don't know what it is, but it does not hurt my eyes, I can say. And I think I got a dump missing. And I got a little spot right there. Every time I try to do this. But wait. Alright, so I'm going to wait a few seconds to let this get tacky. I have a little spot now. Oh well, it's a little spot. But you see? Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys out again. So I'm not sure which lash, because there's so many kinds. And the prices are phenomenal and stuff. So I think I've used those ones. Hi, princess. And those ones. So I think I'm going to go on one of these sides. This side right here, the more dramatic. I think I'm gonna go this style right here. Can you see how pretty that is? That style I'm gonna use. So, yep, it is time to apply. So I'll show you guys exactly how I do it with my hands. Yes, I have nails, and I did lose one by the way. It was sucky because yesterday I was gonna film this, but I have a situation. We had like, they were literally baby ants because they weren't normal. Because normal ants are about the size of rice. These things were micro small, and they were ants. So I had to deal with that, and when I found out about them, I was putting soda in our little fridge, and I dropped one of the cans on my fingers. And I got gook. Alright, so I usually tend to go to the... Oh, huh. I'm itchy today. From the inner to the outer and push down. And voila! See, there it is. And my camera's gonna die. Lovely. These ones don't... I have different types of batteries. Sorry guys, it decided to die as soon as I was putting that one on. Sorry about that. But, I have an extra pair. I'm not gonna try to pop those ones and try to fight with putting the band back on. So, I'm just gonna leave that as is. But I have a second... I have like 4 pairs, I think. But basically... you take them like this, and I usually tend to try to get them to go down, and then I close my lid to make sure it's all the way down. And that's it. It's that simple. I prefer doing it with my hands. It makes it simple. Even I know it makes people cringe when I have nails, especially with stilettos. Nail style, which I'm going to be having again, so be prepared to freak out, people. But I love having stilettos. I feel they are more easier to use. But yeah, this is really pretty, and I will have the link for these lashes down below. And the exciting news, I will actually insert the email, and I'll let you guys read for a few minutes and stuff. If you guys want to pause it, go ahead. But yeah, if you want to read that, it's really cool. Alright, so what you guys seen in the email is that the first 20 followers or fans, whatever it says on there, will get their... You purchase the thing, let them know on Instagram. I will have the Instagram link down below, and they will refund you the money and get the product for free. That's what they said in my email. Let me verify that real quick before... But that's what I remember off the top of my head. But I was like, that's really cool. Yeah, so all you have to do is contact the company. You guys see, it's a vicileylashes, and they'll refund you the money, which is really cool. And I'm really excited to announce this with you guys and everything. This is really awesome. I wasn't expecting anything this cool. So yeah, the first 20 people that purchase them, and message them right away with their information and stuff, and let them know I'm the one that sent them, or sent you guys there to them and everything. So I'm really excited. So you guys get to see the email and everything. So yeah, I really love these lashes and stuff. There's more brands out there, but let me see, I can tell you exactly how much these lashes retail for Amazon. And they retail for right now $16. So you get your $16. It'll probably be a little bit more. It'll be about $18 maybe with taxes and stuff. It depends on where you're at. So yeah. Here, I don't know if you guys can see. That's it. So that's what you're looking for. I will have the link down below. So, woo! Darkness. Darkness. So yeah, I really like them. They're really nice. It does take a while for them to respond to me, but when they do, they give me nice things like this. But, yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. I think it's only going to be about 10 minutes or so long. But I wanted to show you guys exactly how I put these on, and then announce my awesome thing to you guys and everything. Yeah, make sure you do that. Purchase them, message them right away and stuff. And if you guys had to stay through the whole thing, please in the comment section leave a cute kitty cat, because I have like almost cat eye going on right now, emoji to let me know that you've watched the whole entire video, because I know a lot of people have not been watching my full video, and I'm trying to make them shorter and stuff, not too long. So yeah, down below, give me a like, leave a comment, especially with the kitty cat, on the comment section and stuff. And if you want, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I do air multiple times out of the week, but I hope you're all doing good, staying safe, and I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Until next time, guys. Bye!